Coming into the shop, we have an Aston Martin DBX. We are doing a full body PPF install on it. There are so many hours of work for us to do on this thing, and we're gonna get started right now.
We're gonna prep this Aston Martin. The whole thing. It's getting full body PPF. So the first thing you probably want to do is tape any plastics like here, because you want to get the polisher right up to the edge, kind of like that, all across here, all along there. Yeah. For badge removal, if there is a badge that's like indented like this, we normally don't take it off because the PPF actually, they make a pattern for it, which actually cuts around it. So on the back though, these aren't indented, this one is, so we won't be taking that one off. But this one, we're gonna have to make a template and take them off.
The next day.
All right, so I'm gonna be starting out on this passenger side. I'm gonna be handling all these these piano black rocker pieces. Be able to get all these and the driver's side put on today. Definitely gonna be a fun project. I think there's about 45 hours quoted on this thing. Yeah, that took a little bit of stretch. What I'm doing on this mirror is we're doing our bulk piece. This is just gonna kind of get rid of any seams that we would have on the mirror. I don't have to go bother back up, but I think I might have to go might have to call this one in. Yeah, I might have to call Special Forces for this one. Hey, Sir Danny. Gotta use your experienced hands on this mirror whenever you get a second. It'll be the hardest mirror for me. It's the easiest peasy lemon squeezy for Dan. I'm gonna go see what else is on the board, man. I'm feeling defeated now. All right, going knocking out this door. I'm gonna line up these top two edges right here, and from this body line up, I mean, as long as I line those two edges up and make sure my wraparound is even, should be good up there. This fender is a lot different than others, but usually on fenders, yeah, we'll start at the top edge, or more like the area that's going to be at the highest impact. So like on this A-pillar, you're not going to start up here. You're going to start right here where all the rocks and everything are going to be flying in, or whatever, the debris.
I've been working on it the past couple of days. I'm ready for it to be done. It's just you got a car like this that has so many pieces. It's honestly kind of like a Lamborghini in the same category because it's got just so many body lines and craziness going on. So there's a lot of pieces. Not necessarily difficult, just a lot of work. Oh, I think we're ready for install now. Just prepping it, making sure it's super clean. And there you have it, it's all done. I'm just kidding. If only I could just snap my fingers and it's done. All right, so that's gonna be a lot. There's a good amount of tension here. I mean, not like crazy amount, but I'm gonna take some warm water and I'm gonna spray it on here to help like make that material more malleable and to where I can stretch it in here. No, we were right. This is the sticky side. You sure? Yes, 100%.
What's going on?
You're certain this is the sticky side. Nick, you're wrong. Go back.
Right.
You go back.
I'm right.
Come over here. You're wrong. You're wrong. This is the sticky side right now. Feel it.
Oh.
Come on, Nick.
Wow, that's amazing.
But what the hell, boy?
Seeing that?
I told you, yeah, if I would have had you, we would have put it on there first drive.
Yeah, I got it.
That's a little weird.
He's a little weird though. Kind of like Steve. He loves the gel.
Hey, yo!
What do you think is gonna get done today, like percentage-wise? So like 80,
No. 70?
70?
Still that much left?
Yeah.
I thought y'all finished all the sides and the roof.
Sides and roof are gone. Still gotta do one mirror cap, and it's front bumper stuff, and then all the rear bumper stuff, and the rear hatch. All right, we're getting ready to knock out this hood. This is the last piece left to the puzzle, is this big bulk hood. So we're gonna knock that out right now, and we'll see how it goes.
All right, so Nick's cleaning up. That means we're done with this thing. I hope you guys enjoyed. See you later.